So you want to learn how to get verified on TikTok. Welcome to the party. Everyone wants to get verified on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to get verified, how to avoid scams. Yes, there are scams that hack and steal profiles. And I'm also going to share with you how to increase your chances of getting verified in case it doesn't happen the first time. Let's cue that intro. While the intro is playing, comment your TikTok handle below and why you want to be verified. Let's cue the intro. I'll see you guys in just a second. Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist and marketing consultant for 8 to 10 figure brands. Now, one of the cool things about my time spent on TikTok is that people ask me a lot of questions. And probably the number one question that I get is, how do I get verified on TikTok? So I am verified, and at the time of recording this, I have about 745,000 followers on TikTok. Now I'm going to share with you guys how to get verified, how to avoid scams, and how to increase your chances of getting verified in case you are not ready to yet get verified. So number one, the first thing that you need to know about getting verified is that it has to be done through a verification rep or through a rep from TikTok. Now, that may look like a marketing agency that performs this. Now, I will let you know if somebody offers verification, be very careful. I'll talk about why in just a second. But generally speaking, they're going to be submitting a form that you fill out. It doesn't ask for your driver's license. It doesn't ask for your social security number. It doesn't even ask for your address. What the form is going to ask is, number one, what is your category? Number two, what is your username or handle? Number three, the full name of the individual or organization. Number four, the full name of the account operator. Number five, the email address of the account operator. And if you're not a creator or music account, you want a description that explains the account, including an official website or 2 links to relevant news sources. Then you're going to sign it, date it, and then there's some terms and conditions that are in this application. I would share it, but the application is strictly confidential. Now, this is really important. When you are actually being considered for verification, what's going to happen is you're going to have to either fill out that form or work directly with someone in order to fill out the form and have it submitted to the TikTok verification rep. Now, this is really, really, really important. It is very rare that you are ever going to be approached by TikTok to get verified. Almost 100% of the people who come to me and say, is this legit? It's not legit. They're phishing attempts, and I will tell you, here are the ways to avoid being scammed by verification phishing attempts. What they do basically is they ask for your handle, your email, your password, and maybe other information such as your driver's license, a copy of your passport. Do not give this information. TikTok will never reach out to you via an email that does not come directly from TikTok.com, and that's at TikTok.com. If it's at gmail.tiktok.com, it is not from TikTok. TikTok will never reach out to you through the app via a message from a profile that is not verified like TikTok. And truth be told, TikTok doesn't reach out via messages on the TikTok app. TikTok will never reach out to you on Instagram to get you verified. So all of these ways are ways that I see TikTok being impersonated in order to phish or hack people's accounts. And a lot of people have lost their accounts because of this. TikTok will never reach out to you via text message. TikTok will never reach out to you in a WhatsApp group, a Facebook message, anything like that. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So I know a lot of people get their hopes up, or they think like, oh, I'm a big creator, this must be real. But the truth is, TikTok is almost never, if never, going to reach out to you about verification. It's something that you have to actively pursue, either directly to TikTok or to a marketing agent or a talent agent that specializes in verification. Now, if someone offers you verification for a price, this is called the black market. The chances are they're actually trying to hack your account, and or scam you out of money. So do not pay people for verification. This is one of the biggest scams that I see running right now, and a lot of people have lost a lot of money. Plus, here's the other crazy thing. If TikTok finds out that you paid someone to get verified, you risk that person's account, your account, you just risk a lot, and it's not worth making that happen. Now, here's the interesting thing about being verified on TikTok. In the past, TikTok recommended, generally speaking, that you had 500,000 or a million followers. In the past, when I had submitted people for verification, right around 1 to 2 million followers was when we saw, yes, it was getting approved through TikTok. That being said, that isn't happening as much lately. And it seems that TikTok isn't just looking at follower counts or anything like that, but I'll talk about how to increase your chances of being verified, but they're also looking at who you are and what you bring to the ecosystem of TikTok. Now, I've heard some people share, and this is really worth noting, that they have gotten verified by emailing accounts such as verification@tiktok.com, support@tiktok.com. I don't know how accurate those claims are, but I will tell you that's a lot more safe than filling out a random form with a picture of your passport. So reach out to those if you would like. Now, here are the things that, generally speaking, TikTok and other platforms look at. Number one, like I said, this is less and less common these days. TikTok is looking less at follower counts. In fact, I submitted someone for verification that had, I think it was like 4 million followers, and TikTok said no, simply because this person wasn't like a major public figure. They were only famous kind of on TikTok, if that makes sense. So they're starting to look at the whole ecosystem of who you are outside of the TikTok ecosystem as well, and factoring that in. So it doesn't hurt to have increased follower counts. I had, I want to say 27,000 followers when I got verified. But that being said, people can be verified at all different follower counts. They're starting to really weigh who you are outside of TikTok more. Which brings me to my second point. This is helpful, but not always necessary. Sometimes it's helpful to have your content going viral on TikTok. So if you have a bunch of videos that are going viral, you've grown quite a bit over the last couple of months, that can be looked at favorably by TikTok, but that doesn't ultimately sway their decision. Which brings me to point number 3, and these are some of the most important things, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got these, as well as how to get these. So the next thing that they look at is, are you verified on other platforms? If you're verified on other platforms, it makes the process a lot easier. So for example, I was verified on my Facebook profile and my Instagram account before I applied for verification through TikTok. So I'm going to share with you how I got each of those verifications fast. If you guys want me to do a full deep dive on Instagram verification or Facebook verification, comment below and let me know. Or if there are other platforms you want me to talk about verification for, comment below and let me know what you think. Okay, so I got my Facebook profile verification when one day somebody was impersonating me and selling crypto and Bitcoin. And I took a picture of that. I went onto Facebook's customer service, like their chat basically. And you can access that by going to Rachel is Queen on desktop. So rachelisqueen.com on desktop, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Some people, not everyone, have the option for email support and or chat support. Chat support is like supreme. If you have that, oh my gosh, yes. I basically sent documentation of the people pretending to be me and sharing how that could be detrimental to my account. And then they asked me to send over like PR that I've gotten, and I've been featured in Cosmopolitan, Glamour, Huffington Post, Daily Mail, Entrepreneur, I think Forbes even, but I basically compiled all of that and sent that in once I got the email back from the official @facebook.com email asking for that information. And then just a couple of days later, I woke up to the blue check mark on my Facebook profile. The second verification I had was on Instagram, and verifications on other platforms make it easier for you to get verified on another platform. So on Instagram, At that point in time, I had, this is a long story, I hired some growth hackers that grew me really quickly, which, side note, I do not recommend. It was detrimental to my Instagram long term. I'm pretty sure they paid for fake followers, fake likes, all the above, but that's a story for another day. If you want to hear about what to do and what not to do with Instagram, comment growth below. And if I see you guys commenting that, I'll create a whole tutorial about Instagram growth, what to do and what not to do. So inside of the Instagram app, I had about 100,000 followers, and I opened up the Instagram app, and inside of my settings, there was an ability. It said like manage my profile, and then there was a button that said apply for verification or request verification. I applied there. I applied 3 times. And I think this is important to note. I didn't get approved the first 2 times. I just got back an email, or a message rather, within 24 hours that said, I'm sorry, at this time we can't consider you for verification or something like that. And then on the 3rd time, when I submitted it inside of the app, they gave me verification, which was awesome. So getting verification on other platforms can be a really good way to create a domino effect of verifications that help you to be verified on TikTok. But then the last point, and this is a really big one, I wanna make this super clear. Do not leave just because I share this. Some people get super annoyed. I'm gonna share with you how to get this one, okay? So make sure you stay until the end because I'm gonna literally give you all of the shortcuts for how to make this happen. So the last one is they look to see if you have any notable press. And this is so important. Do you have notable press? Have you been featured in the news multiple times, especially national or international news? At that point in time, I had been featured by pretty much every single large online publication. But one thing that a lot of people say is like, Rachel, I have never been featured in an online publication. Okay, well, there's an easy way to fix that. So there's this amazing website called helpareporter.com, and there's actually a free sign up. So here is what it looks like, helpareporter.com, and it's technically called HARO, Help a Reporter Out. But there you can go back and forth between these 2 options, and you can select I'm a source. Sign up for the source profile. You don't have to pay for their account. Paying for your account just basically ensures that you're gonna see all of the queries from journalists faster. So if you don't pay for it, you can still get the queries daily. And I think they email them once, twice, or 3 times a day. So in your inbox, you're literally going to get queries from journalists who want to feature you. This is how I got some major publications to feature me completely for free without paying for PR. So using helpareporter.com is a free way to submit really value-packed content and responses to potentially put yourself in a position to get press. But I want to hear from you. What questions do you have about this process or the process of growing on TikTok? By the way, I put together some awesome resources for you in the bio beneath this video. Feel free to check those out. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all of the amazing tutorials that are on their way to you. And like this video if you found value. I will catch you guys later. Bye for now. I went in depth about niches yesterday, and that series will be on my YouTube in the next couple weeks. Hey, Alley Cat, good to see you.